Today on Greg's Reviews, the Dveda F8 wireless earbuds. I received these to review at no charge. Inside the box you will find the wireless earbuds charging case, earbud tips, more earbud tips, and a charging cable. Inside the case you will find the earbuds. These earbuds are bigger than the Touch 2 C5 model. The Touch 2 C5 model was much more comfortable, but the F8 did seal better in my ears. The earbud tips come in two flavors. These are short. There are also some regular long ones that you'd find on most earbuds. The microphone is on the little appendage and features some kind of noise canceling, however I didn't get a chance to try it out. On the back you'll find a USB port to charge your phone or other USB device. The charging case has lights on the outside of the case, which was a nice feature. Each earbud does light up and alternates colors when pairing. These do have actual buttons instead of a touch-sensitive trigger, so making adjustments was much better than the other model. Now, these really did hurt my ears, and I didn't enjoy them as much as I hoped. However, the sound quality was much better, and they are HD audio, but they were very muddled, and I had to adjust my EQ severely to get good sounding audio. Overall, I would recommend the Touch 2 C5s over these, but I did like the audio better when using an EQ.